cutting-edge technologies to improve the country's healthcare system. Diagnostics will be done through technology that seeks to reduce the prevalence of communicable diseases even in far-flung communities.
Yeah, we're expecting a change in the healthcare. So the change that we're expecting is like we want to reduce the rate of infectious diseases. So artificial intelligence can help us to diagnose the earlier stage of the diseases. So if we can detect them at an early stages, it means now we can take a precautionary measures. So we can make sure that now we prevent them as soon as we can. So we don't have, like in the case of pandemic, we can reduce it.
Experts are also working on technologies which will detect TB on a larger scale. They say the disease annually kills 1.5 million people globally. South Africa has the highest number of cases and prisons are particularly hard hit.
With this technology is so that once you have those samples, you actually diagnose those samples within, let's say, an hour. You can diagnose each sample, or you can diagnose many samples at the same time, so that you have an answer by whatever time you need those results, so that you can initiate TB treatment, so that you actually prevent this more spreading of that TB in those congested areas.
3 years ago, the health sector's challenges were accentuated by COVID-19. But this has now inspired innovation.
One of the main issues was the mutations that we observed from SARS-CoV-2 that resulted in different variants. And these variants were hard to treat and trace because they all had different mutations. And then so what we're trying to do is detect these mutations before we even get into these different variants that are hard to treat. So that's what this technology is developed for.
Where we put all the technologies that we could gather around the whole South Africa, that is use the 4R technologies in one place. So to demonstrate how the technology is used, to be able to also use it to train people and also to do production for, let's say, for SMMEs, which need to de-risk their own products. They want to test them before they go, and if they want to do the proof of concept, they can come and do that portion.
Tapi says technology will help provide solutions to troubling and persistent medical problems and help bolster the medical industry.